Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the Spigen Magfit for your Magsafe if you have purchased one from Apple. So what Magsafe is basically is it's a magnetic wireless charger for any iPhones that are above the iPhone 11. So iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini. So all the 12 series actually support Magsafe, and this also does have Qi wireless charging, so you can use it with any other device. However, it's better to use it with your iPhone 12 series because it does support it the best. It has the magnets on the back, so this can actually connect to it, and you can use it when you're actually holding up your phone, so you don't have to take it off of it. So let's go ahead and begin. Right here, Spigen has made this quick little case thing on it. It's a Magsafe case, and it's basically so you can use it as a stand. Me personally, I don't really take my Magsafe around too much. I actually use a normal lightning cable because it's a little faster. I mean, it's a lot faster when I'm actually traveling and stuff. This usually just stands next to my bedside table, and I pop it on when I'm sleeping at night. So that's the reason why I actually got this. This actually is like it kind of turns it into a normal wireless charging stand. You can just pop it down, plop it down. It won't slide around when you're putting it somewhere because this doesn't really stick to anybody. The surface is aluminum, and the bottom portion isn't made out of aluminum, so it actually slides a lot. And I really don't like that. If I accidentally pull the cable, I might actually pull my phone with it and drop it, maybe even break it. So I went ahead and got this thing made by Spigen. So let's go ahead and quickly unbox it, but before that, let's go ahead and check out this top portion. So it says form fitted for device, and then Nanotech Non-Slip Pad. So that's the main thing that I was actually looking for. This will actually enable it to not slip off your place, because it does have a non-slip pad unlike this right here, and that's actually a nice thing that I really do want on my Magsafe device. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's a little pull tab, and then there shouldn't be anything else inside of here. Boom, nothing else. And we can immediately see our Magfit case for our Magsafe device, or our Magsafe. So this is just some extra stuff. I guess you can win something if you guys want that. Here's the QR code, and there's also an installation process right here. So let's put this to the side and check out the installation. So all you got to do is actually put it from the bottom, so you got to keep it like this and plop it down, and then the top portion is going to be up here, and that's the bottom, so it just gives you some instructions. And then you can also take off the non-slip pad. So there's a sticker right here. As you can see, there's this blue sticker which you actually take off so that it doesn't actually slip around. So it has a nice material. It's a plastic material. It is a little harder plastic, however, you can still bend it, and it's actually got a nice feeling to it. I wish they actually made a black Magsafe so it would actually match the color of this. However, you only get a white Magsafe. I'm not sure if they do sell a white Magfit, but if they do, I might actually pick that one up instead of this. I might return this and get that. But for now, I have this one right here, and these are the installation. This is the installation process right here. So if anyone wants to check it out, if you already have one, here it is. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So right here, we flip it to the bottom, and we also flip this. We can see our cable entrance right there. So that's going to be holding the cable so you get a better fit, and it actually is straight on there. And then we also have some grips right here, so I guess it can hold it better. So let's go ahead and plop this in right away. Boom, like so. So it's pretty easy to plop it in, if I can actually manage to do that. So boom and boom. So these grips actually hold it in place really nice. The cable goes in perfectly. And now we have our Magsafe case on top of it. So not sure if this goes in a lot more, but here it is. So this is how it basically works. So we have our little Spigen branding, so not too much branding, which is nice. And here is our non-slip pad on our Magsafe. So before I plug it in, I just want to check it out and see if it still is magnetic enough so it can hold your phone. And boom, still is on there perfectly. I can move it around. It is a little less magnetic than before because it's not directly touching it, maybe just a little bit. However, that's okay. The magnets are still pretty strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in real quick. Let's go ahead and get this plugged in. Boom, and let's go ahead and check it out. So plop it on there, and we just get our Magsafe thing right there, and it lets us know that we're charging. So we're charging right now, and it still works the same. I'm not sure, I don't think the speeds are affected since you're still getting in direct contact with the Magsafe device. and so I don't think there should be an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and plop on this D brand case. So this actually is Magsafe supported, so it actually has the magnets inside of it as well, so you shouldn't have any issues with that. And let's see if we can still get it to charge. So let me plop that on, and let's put it on, and boom, right there. So it's still charging, still as magnetic as before, and it'll still stay on when you're using it. So this non-slip pad is actually going to be really nice for me. Let me unplug this here. So the non-slip pad is actually going to be really nice because it won't slip around as much, and that's going to be good for me overall, since I do use it as like a stand, a normal wireless charger next to my bedside table. So let's take this off, and it's a pretty sticky material. This will collect dust, let me go ahead and let you know. So if you do place it down somewhere, you're gonna wanna keep that on there so it doesn't collect dust. I believe you can, boom, it already stuck on there pretty nice. I believe you can actually wipe this material down, but generally I just keep it in a clean place, and it's not gonna be moving around, so that's gonna be okay. As you can see, it's not moving around, the table's actually moving. You can probably see that from the camera shaking. And let's actually plop this off, boom. And that's basically gonna be it for this device. So overall, it's pretty nice. Your phone still sticks to it perfectly if you really do want to take it off, but once you put this on, I don't recommend taking this non-slip pad off and on of a surface, because mine's already collecting dust, as you can see. So once you plop it on, just keep it there. And overall, this is a pretty nice device if you guys actually want to use yours as a bedside wireless charger. So that's basically gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That'll definitely support the channel a lot. And I will actually leave an Amazon link down below for you guys to check this product out if you really want to purchase it. So that's basically gonna wrap it up. As I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.